Here's how to set up Walmart Plus and link it to Paramount Plus. First, open up any web browser and head over to walmart.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to click on the account option. From here, find the option of Walmart Plus. Go ahead and click on that. Now go ahead and click on this option to start your free 30-day trial. Then select your payment structure. Choose either monthly plan or annual plan. Now enter your billing details and complete the checkout to activate your membership. Once your membership has been activated, head over back to the Walmart Plus tab. Now scroll through your listed perks and locate Video Streaming Choice title. Here select Paramount Plus Essential. Now the page will redirect you to Paramount Plus. Here you can create a new account. Enter your name, zip code, birthday and email address you want to use for streaming, then create a password. Once your account has been created, you want to log into your account. You will see a success screen confirming that your Walmart Plus and Paramount Plus accounts are officially linked. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.